Hello students, in this video we will talk about the different parts of our body. So let us start this chapter. My body. Our body has many parts. All the parts have different names. Some of our body parts are in pairs. For example, we have one pair of eyes. We have one pair of ears. Some body parts are more than two. Can you name them? Yes, like we have 10 fingers, 10 toes. So, whenever we are saying that we have one pair of eyes, it means we have two eyes. If we are saying that we have one pair of ears, we have one pair of hands, it means that we are having two hands, two ears, and two eyes. Let us see the different body parts. Here you can see the eyebrow. These are two little eyes. This is your forehead, your little nose, your mouth, your chest, your stomach, your arms, your hands, your legs, your 10 little toes, your foot, and your knee. So, students, learn about all these body parts and try to name them one by one. Now, learn the spellings of all the body parts given here, like eyebrow, nose, hair, eye, ear, mouth, leg, teeth, arm, tongue, hand, foot, and chest. All human beings have same body parts. The size of our body parts grow as we grow. Like all the girls have the same body parts and all the boys have same body parts. So whenever your height grows is your organs and your different body parts also grow in size because your height is increasing. So all these things will also grow. Have you ever seen that your legs have grown but your hands are tiny? No. So the size of our body parts grow as we grow. Now, can you name these body parts? It is very easy. Now, students, let us talk about the five senses that are having in our body. So, we will talk about the different senses and parts of the body and the verb. The first is sight. Sight means to see. So, which body part you able to see? Yes, from eyes you can see the different beautiful things around you. Then smell. Smell you do with the help of your nose. Third is hearing. Hearing means sunna. So you hear from your ears. The fourth one is taste. So you are able to taste the different things with the help of your tongue. Then touch. Touch you can do with the help of your skin, or you can say from your hand. Whenever you touch any hot or cold thing, you are able to tell that which one is hot, this one is too hot. So, by touching you can tell this. So, let us learn about this one by one. We see with our eyes. The eyes help us to see different colors We are able to see the different beautiful colors, different flowers in the garden, the rainbow in the sky, the sun, the moon, the beautiful scenery all around you. You are able to see with the help of your eyes. We can tell about the difference between big and small, tall and short, and also long and short. So you are able to see the different things and you can differentiate in between them, that which one is small, which one is big. Second is taste. You can taste the different taste of food like bitter, sour, sweet, all with the help of your tongue. The tongue helps to taste our food. When you are eating karela and bitter gourd, so what is that taste? The taste is bitter. But you are eating an gulab jamun and you are eating any mithai. So that is very sweet and you like it very much. So if no tongue is there, you will not be able to taste. We hear with our ears. So you can hear lot of things from your ears like music. You can listen what your friends are saying. You are able to listen what your favorite program is coming. So all these things you can hear with your ears. We smell with our nose. So, from your nose, you can differentiate between the dirty smell, the bad smell, and the good smell. So, whenever you are having any bad smell near around you, you will cover your nose so that no smell will go inside your nose. But when you are smelling a beautiful flower which having a good smell and agarbatti and the Maggie, so that all are good smells that you want to smell from your nose. We touch and feel with our skin. So here you can see the different body parts, what are their functions. So we walk and run with the help of our legs. We can jump also with the help of our legs. Now from your mouth, you eat and talk with your mouth. You are able to talk to any other person, to your friend, with the help of your mouth. And you can eat so many tasty things. If you want to sing a song, so all these things you can do with the help of your mouth. We also do many things with our hands, like cleaning the dishes, playing with any sports item, cooking, for holding anything, and to drink, and to eat, and to writing, and for drawing. We need our hands. So, let us do the fill in the blanks. So, I walk, run, and jump with my legs. We smell and breathe with our nose. We talk with our mouth. We see with my eyes. I hold with the help of my hands. So now let us do this simple exercise. Match the following. So where you can see the eye, here is the beautiful eye. Hands, nose, ear and mouth. So now you can also practice it. So now students, in this worksheet you have to tell that how many organs you are having. For example, I have dash eyes. So how many eyes you are having? I have 2 eyes. I have dash mouth. So how many mouth you are having? 1. I have dash fingers. So how many fingers you are having? I have 10 fingers and 10 toes. So like this you have to fill all these and you have to write your answer in the box. Now, let us fill the missing letters. The first one is eyes. EYES. Ears. EARS. Nose and mouth. So, now the last one is for you. Draw a line from each word to the correct part of the body. So, now you know about all the body parts, so you have to match and draw a line. For example, these are your ears. Then, where is your eyes? Here are your eyes. So, like this, you have to make a line and you have to match it with the correct pair. So, thank you, students. I hope now you know about all the body parts and your five sense organs. So, let us end our chapter with a poem. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, and 1 little nose. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, and 1 little nose. 2 little eyes that shine so bright, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 1 little mouth to kiss mother good night, and 1 little mouth to kiss mother good night. Thank you, students. I hope you enjoy the poem.